Hello, what is going on, guys? This is me from Simplicity Living. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the rice paddy that we've got here. So I just want to show you the real feeling on the rice paddy that I'm currently sit out here. This is the type of sticky rice. We have a small rice paddy here, and this bigger one is mine also. All right, so we have lots of dragonflies over here and butterfly as well. Over there, people are watching over the rice to make sure that they will harvest the rice before the weather changing into rainy season. So in this summer, let's go back here and go straight forward there. So in this summer, the rain will comes in different days, so make sure that the people make sure that they will harvest the rice before the flood may come. Take a look at this angle. The rice is making sounds in the wind. The wind is quite strong right now, and hopefully it doesn't have any rain soon. Let me show you the land. Inside the land's already dry out already. All the water is already dry out. Mostly the water will dry out before we can cut the rice. All right, so we watch out here with the lands. You see that the land inside it is already like having a crack already. So most of the land is dried right now. Here there's different types of rice that are grown here. All right, this type of rice is sticky rice, and the next to me here is another type, which is still green. It doesn't get ripen yet, so it will take more time, maybe a month more before getting harvested. So this rice we will harvest it in a week maybe. Alright guys, that is the touch up of a little simplicity living touch up. There you go. It's quite long ride here down there, and people are watching and people are talking about rice and paddy field works, stuff like that. And mostly I'm coming here just to enjoy the breeze and showing you guys enjoy the breeze with me and feel relaxing after working. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe to Simplicity Living for more videos later on. Bye for now. All right, I love this feeling of going put my feet under the ground where we have lots of grass like this. But I'm quite afraid of snakes as well. Not sure that I have snakes or not.